Now this is a question which has confused me over time a lot. Why? Because many people have many different stories about light. Some say that light is as beautiful as a ray, which bounces off surfaces in a very beautiful pattern, gets refracted, absorbed, and always travels in a straight line. Some others say just like waves in water, light is a wave, an electromagnetic wave. And some other people say that light is actually a stream of particles. When you turn on a torch, you actually throw large amount of these packets of light called photons. Now to understand this, we can take the example of India. Take some maps of India. What do you see in a political map? You see different states and cities. In a physical map, you see different mountain ranges and physical features. Then you can have the map showing climate, forest, roads, and other things, right? Now, if I ask you, are all of them India? Is none of them India? We probably can't answer. Now, what's the point of all this? That we, as scientists, are not building something that is always right or wrong, but we are trying to build something that can be useful. Same case is with light. If we imagine light to be a ray, will it be useful? If we imagine light to be a wave or a particle, will it be useful? What does the roadmap show you? It shows you how the roads are located and how you can go from one place to another. What's the point of the physical map? You can predict weather by looking at the mountain ranges, plateaus, and plains. And if you want to see the states, how the cities are divided, all of that, then you can go to the political map. Same is the case with light. If we treat light as a ray, we can make beautiful things like telescopes, microscope, cameras, take pictures, lenses, mirrors. If we treat light as a wave, then we can verify the different theories like diffraction and interference. Why does light interferes? And if we want to clarify the photoelectric effect, we treat light as a particle. Now that is the beauty of science. We don't actually know what really light is, but depending upon the type of situation, we imagine light to be something so that we can tackle a situation. This is what science tries to do. It does not make reality. It tries to build a map of reality that can be used in day-to-day lives. Now as for now in this chapter of class 10th, we will treat light in the most simplified ways it can be, as beautiful rays. And we'll try to play with it. How can we solve some of the daily life questions? Like, why exactly is the sun yellow during the day and red during the sunrise or the sunset? And why do wet clothes appear more transparent? Why exactly do we see our reflection in a mirror and not somewhere else? What happens when light moves from air to glass or to water? Now, these are the topics which we'll cover in this chapter.